Remedies presents Cleanse your liver in 2 days with only one ingredient. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video, I will tell you how you can easily prepare your own liver cleanse at home. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Did you know that raisin water can be great for you? It's a good thing to add to your diet, especially to better your liver health. It helps certain biochemical processes in the liver, which help it force the poisons out of your bloodstream. I have done a video on raisin water before as well for health benefits. It elaborates in detail how to choose the raisins and how to store them. Please check it out. I will just mention briefly in this video. Let's make the raisin water now. Ingredients: 150 grams of raisins, 2 cups of water, approximately 400 ml. Make sure to choose the darker raisins which are neither too hard nor soft. Wash them and put them aside. Heat the water to a boil. Add the raisins and let them bubble for 20 minutes. Cover the pot and leave them to soak overnight in it. In the morning, strain the water and reheat it. You can drink it warm or cold, but make sure you drink it on an empty stomach. Then wait 30 to 35 minutes before eating breakfast. After 2 days, you will notice the first effects of this homemade drink. It is recommended for you to drink it at least 4 days, and if you follow a diet which contains a lot of fruits and vegetables, your liver health will be much better. After 4 days of straight use, you will see that your digestion will rise and you will have more energy. This is a great drink to reap the benefits of raisins. So, cleanse as often as you feel that you need to boost your energy levels. You want your skin to glow again. You would like to boost your mood. You would like to up your sleep quality. You would like to regulate your weight. And you would like to finally take control of your weight. In other words, it is good to reset every once in a while. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.